Today we bring you the 11th part of the application build. We insert a container on this side, and resize the container. Change the background color. After that we click on this container. We add another container to it. Resize the container. Modify the background color of the container. And add a rounded corner to it. Cancel the association. Let's insert an icon in this container. Drag the icon out. Resize the icon. First, center its icon horizontally. Then change the color of the icon to white. Finally, in this container we insert a container. Resize the container. Add a rounded corner to this container. And insert a background color. Then in this container we insert a text box. Enter text. Add font size. Replace the text color with white. Finally, in this container we insert an icon. Change the size of the icon. Add a container. Modify container size. Center it vertically and horizontally. And remove the background color of the container. Into this container we insert a container. Modify the container size. Add another gradient. Choose a color. Finally, in this container we insert a text box. Enter the text. Adjust the size of the text. I'll change the color of the font. And add a status to it. Click Activate. Make it invisible. In this text box we add a text input box. Modify the size of the text box. Cancel the background color of our input box. Modify the position of the container. Add another container. Click on the text input box. We add a state transformation to it. Select the object. Finally, click on the container. We add a container to it. Modify the container size. Cancel this background color. Add another container to it. Modify the size of the container. Add a rounded corner to it. After that, add a gradient. In the container we insert a text box. Enter text first. To modify the size of the text. Then replace the font color with white. Perform vertical horizontal centering. Click on this container and we add a status to it. Click Activate. Turn on Invisible. After that we click on the text input box. Select the object. Preview. Finally, resize the container. Done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.